What's good, everybody on YouTube? Today I have an unboxing of a shoe that I really wanted. For some of you, you might already know by the box, but let's get into it. Today, in my hands, I have the Saucony J-Tips Azura 2000s. This is a New York shoe for a New Yorker. But before I get into my quick first impressions, let's go through the box. Starting off, right at the top, we have J-Tips for a shoe in collaboration with Saucony Originals. So, I am no stranger to Saucony. So far, I've owned 2 pairs. I've had the Summer Icy series and now like mint colorway, and I've also just had some regular GR runners that I don't remember the name of. So this is the 3rd pair of Sauconys in my collection. Getting into the back of the shoe, we have the message that I love and I know so much about. It says, "I remember who fronted. I remember who did not see the vision. I remember who changed the conversation. Saucony X Savior." People always like to front on you. They don't believe in you. They don't see the vision until you make it. Once you make it, they want to hop on the bandwagon and be like, "Yeah, I see you, bro. I've been with you for the whole entire time. I've been believing in you." That's not true. And this is what the shoe is about. On the side of the box, it reads, "Never stop believing because dreams do come true." That is definitely the case. If you keep striving for greatness, everything you hope to achieve, you will get. Think about it. If you put in 1,000 hours, eventually there's no time in between you and your goals. You're gonna get there. So don't stop believing, keep going, and you'll get exactly what you want. J-Tips is just an example of that. He wanted his own sneaker, he kept going, he didn't stop believing, and now, not only does he have his own shoe, but he has the best shoe of this year. Let me not say the best shoe, but one of the best shoes. So far, this sneaker is part of Complex's top sneakers of 2023 so far. I'm pretty sure it will be on the overall list in December. It is definitely on my list. And I'm pretty sure many sneakerheads all over the world will have this shoe on their top 10 list, especially sneakerheads in New York City. Because once again, this is a New York shoe for a New Yorker. On the other side, it says, "Take a picture in these." I will definitely be taking a picture in this shoe and of this shoe. I actually can't wait to put this shoe on feet. I put this shirt on for the unboxings. I think it looks good together. Will I wear this shirt with these shoes? Probably not, but for the unboxing, I think it's a good look. And last but not least, on the bottom it reads, "I had this crazy idea one day." This crazy idea now exists. If I'm not mistaken, this shoe is loosely based off of the shoe he made for Nike. He did some bespoke Air Force Ones. He wanted to be a full-time real deal collab. That didn't work out, and this shoe was just inspired by that shoe. I will be doing a full review on these sneakers, but right now, let me give y'all my first impressions. As you can see, this shoe, the overall colorway is salmon. The salmon represents J-Tips' pescatarian lifestyle. Going around the shoe, you can see a lot of floral accents, and the floral print of the sneaker just represents J-Tips being the rose that grew from the concrete. On the Saucony branding on the side, we see a nice animal cheetah print. I think it's cheetah print at least. And this Saucony logo with the print on it just plays into one of his favorite Air Maxes, the Air Max 1 Atmos. The back of the shoe features a very nice checkered flag. This checkered flag references one of J-Tips' favorite rappers. That rapper is Nipsey Hussle, and his brand, The Marathon Continues. The green on the shoe liner is in reference to all the street signs in the Bronx, and it also reads, "Made by J-Tips" in the ankle area. Like J-Tips' brand, the tongue reads Savior Originals and Savior Worldwide, which is his nickname and his brand, like I just said. Right now, I have the left insole, which states "Remember who fronted," which is the name of the shoe, and just his inspiration for everything he does, just remembering the people that did not believe in him. The right insole is in reference to his first album and his song, Summer 2007. Last but not least, on the heel of the shoe, we have that message again. Remember who fronted. Because never forget the people who did not believe in you, because they will come back around once you're on top. This was just my quick impression and overview of the shoe, but a full review is coming soon. So like, share, comment, and subscribe for that. And please turn on post notifications so you are aware of everything I post. I post almost every single day. If you love pop culture and sneakers, this is the right place for you. I just checked in, now I'm checking out. Remember those who fronted. Peace.